So enough talk about the AVQ system. We're going to take this for a quick drive and actually show you what it does. So we're going to take this AVQ for a little drive. Right now we have it set up on a tri-pin on a Featherlight hand control. And we have it set up to do on the left, it goes left turn,
dimmer,
and dimmer. And on the right,
right turn, wipe and wash.
We have wipe and wash and right turn. So to activate any of our functions, for example, left turn, I would click left turn, and then during that period where you click the left turn, it will activate that function. And then to deactivate the left turn right here,
left turn,
I can just do left turn again. Similarly with the wipers,
right turn, wipe and...
If I wait until it says wipe and wash, our wipers will work as well.
Right turn, wipe and...
And with that wiper enable, I just entered, hang on.
Right turn, wipe and wash.
I can skip through the different speeds with the wiper. With this tri-pin, it is on the swivel, as mentioned before, so it's really comfortable when you're gassing, because that hand control moves with you, with the tri-pin, with the swivel.
Right turn.
And it is as easy as just doing my right turn again.
Right turn.
To shut off the right turn signal. Okay. So for this video, we have the LED box mounted up on the dash, so you can really see it. Typically, you'd want this mounted in a little bit of a darker area, so you can see the LEDs a little bit better. But as soon as I get a chance to take this right turn up here, I'm going to show you that it will light up and it will sequence through the LEDs. What's kind of cool about that is that you can have the speaker, you can have the LED box, but you can always unplug one of them or both of them. Well, I guess you never unplug both, but you can always unplug one or the other once the customer gets a little bit more used to it. So maybe they only want the audio cue, maybe they only want the visual cue. You can use them in conjunction, or you can use one or the other.
Right turn, wipe and wash. Right.
So you can see right there, it's only 2 scans on this. We can do up to 7 scans though.
Right.
And one thing that wasn't mentioned, the speaker sounds pretty good right now where it is out here, but you can also program the volume. So along with being able to mount the speaker where you need it for the customer as far as the volume control, you can also decrease the volume on the speaker if you find it's a little bit too loud. That can all be done through our programming. It can be done in the field. There's a couple sets of dip switches on that circuit board where you can change really all the features. So one thing worth mentioning with this scan system is that it is fully compatible with our SureSwitch system, meaning that the installation for adding the AVQ with our normal secondary installation, the additional install time for the AVQ is almost negligible. You just need power and ground, and then everything else plugs into our vehicle interface with the SureSwitch. Thank you for watching this video on our newest product, the AVQ system and the TriSwitch. If you ever have any questions about any of our product line, please never hesitate to contact us at SureGrip.